So there's something called function. Everybody pay attention. This is like a lecture, but when I define it, you will get it. So anytime you hear the word function in Python or in any programming language, function is a code that you can reuse. For example, if you let's say, which example should I give you that people will understand them? I'm not adding that person. I want to join them. So function is a code that you can reuse anytime, anywhere. For example, if I come to Makurdi and I tell someone to come, the person will come. If I go to Lagos and I tell someone to come, the person will come, because I can use come anywhere in the world and come will work. Okay, so function is also like that, but its own that it is a code. So print is a function. Print is a function. Now everybody look up. How do you know if, don't forget this please, how do you know a function? If I write Jerry, this is not a function. But if I write Jerry and I put open and close parentheses in the front, that is a function. So anywhere in any programming language that you see, whether you see cop and they put open and close parentheses in its front, it is a function. Okay, it means you can use it anywhere, anytime in your code. So we can use the print we are talking about, we can use it more than 50 times in our codes and it will work. All right, so let's go back now. So if I write print and I put open and close parentheses, now you guys can tell me that this is a function, right? Abi, in your mind you're saying yes. I'm hearing it in the spirit. So this is a function. Now for we to use this, now see, I want to believe every one of us, if they wake you up tomorrow to identify a function, you should know how to identify a function. All you need to see is this open and close brackets. It's not brackets, this is brackets. Okay, when you see this open and close parenthesis in its front, then that is a function, anywhere, anytime. So print is a function. When you see this open and close parenthesis,
you cannot see it here.
Don't worry.
They look like a big environment.
Don't worry. So that is a function. Okay, now we want to use this function in our code, and I told you that for you to display something in the output, you write print and inside it you write your text. So this is the syntax. So I just use a word called syntax. So syntax is like, if I ask someone to speak Yoruba now, the person will say good morning is Ekaro. If I say someone to speak Tiv, the person will say good morning is Undeve. If I say someone to speak Idoma, the person will say Umochi. If I say someone to speak which language they again? French, Bonjour. So each of those languages, they are different, right? So those unique way that they are speaking your language is called syntax. Syntax is a way a language is supposed to be spoken. I come again. Syntax is a way a language is supposed to be spoken. So if I say I want to speak Yoruba to you and I'm saying Yoruba is Undeve, you will look at me that I'm not serious. Okay? So the correct method a language is supposed to be spoken is syntax. Now the syntax for displaying an output in Python is simple. So all you need to do, take your pen and your jotter, write print, open brackets, put this column, double column. So when you put the double column, it will appear at the beginning and at the end. So anything you write in between this column will be displaying your output. So that was what we did here. That was what I did here. Print, I open the brackets, right? then this quotation mark rather, I put the double quotation mark. Anything you write in between the quotation mark will be your output. So I'm going to the app now. For example, that was the first thing I asked you guys to write. So what you guys will, I'm going to give you guys assignment too. So immediately you score, I'm going to send this video and you guys will display it. So this is what I want to do now. I want to print my name. I'll be like print, if you cannot see, don't worry, print, I put the bracket, right? Then I will write, if you can't see it, don't worry, I'm sending it. Then I will put the quotation mark. In between it, I will write, my name is Innocent Jeremiah. Okay, I taught you how to run your code. When you run it, you will see in the output section, my name is Innocent Jeremiah. I can come outside this, I can reuse print again. I can write print again, print I love coding, or you can write this is my first coding, and you display it in the output. You will see it in the output panel, in the output section also. Okay, so that is your first code. So immediately I'm ending this call, I'll be sending you guys your first assignment. So stay glued to the group. So your first assignment will be to display some certain things. Okay, but before you do that, everybody should be able to write to display LOL. So we are going to be ending this section now. For those of you who cannot see it,